Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Cronos, the new Dawn game, freezing, lagging, low FPS, crashing, not launching, not loading, black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through it. The first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here, then click on power and then select restart. After restarting your PC, now launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, next is to update graphics card. For that, go to Windows search for device manager. Now go below, expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check if there is any update available for the drivers, and after that launch the game and see if it works. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link in the description and update your drivers and then try to launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. Next is to run game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files. After that, select your game application, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility and here click on run this program as an administrator, then click on apply and OK. After this, check if the problem is fixed or not, or else simply click on disable full screen optimizations and then click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and see if it fixes the issue. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to search option, search for check for updates. Now here you need to click on check for updates option. If any update is available, update your Windows to the latest version and then launch the game and see if it helps to fixes the problem. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and here click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now launch the game and see if this helps. Next solution is to allow Cronos, the new Dawn game, through firewall. For that, go to search option, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on allow an app or feature, then click on change settings. After that, here you should search for the game if it's listed. If not, click on allow another app, then click on browse, then go to the game folder where it has been installed, add your game to the list over here. After adding it, search for the game, then select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After doing this, launch the game and see if it works. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, click on the taskbar settings, now click on task manager. After that, under process tab, look for those apps which is of no use, then select it, right click on it, click on end task. So after this, launch the game and see if it fixes the problem. Next solution is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled, such as Nvidia Shadow Play or MSI Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. So you are suggested to disable all these third-party overlay applications and after that launch the game and check if this fixes the problem. Next method is to launch option. So modify launch option. In that case, you need to go to the library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here in the launch option, you need to type -dx11 and then launch the game and see if it works. If not, come back again and type -dx12 and then try to play the game. Hopefully this solution will resolve the problem. Next is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam, in the above section click on Steam option, then click on settings. After that, click on downloads and then go below and here you need to click on clear cache option. So after clearing the cache, now launch the game and see if it works. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have provided the link in the description. Just copy this link and paste it in your browser. That, go below and from here you need to download the latest Visual C++ files on your PC. After downloading it, install it and then launch the game and see if it helps to fix the problem. Next is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to search option, search for graphics settings and here you need to find the game if it's listed. If not, click on add a desktop app, go to the game folder where it has been installed, select the game and add it to the list over here. After adding it, click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference you need to select high performance. After selecting high performance, restart your PC once and after that launch the game and check if it fixes the problem. If not, final solution is to reinstall Chronos the new Dawn game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will uninstall or remove the game from its system. After that, restart your PC once. After restarting, launch Steam and then again reinstall the game and then try to play it and see if everything is working fine without any further problem. So following these methods will surely help to fix the Chronos, the New Dawn game crashing or not launching or showing other errors on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.